Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I have here my June Ipsy Glam bag. And so I'm nervous because if you can see, my bag has been tampered with. It has plastic keeping it closed, like it was opened and had to be resealed. And that makes me nervous because this is products that I use on my face. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna find in here, but hopefully it's all okay. So just to give you a little bit more information on Ipsy, if you're not familiar, this is a monthly subscription bag and I've been doing it since January. I also get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus now, and I already did my June unboxing of that, so if you want to see that video, I will link it down below. But the bag that I'm about to pull out here is only $10 a month, and you get 5 more like sample size products usually. But it's customizable because you fill out a questionnaire and then each month you review the products that you get on an app, and that helps curate the bag to be more specific towards your likes. And I've loved the experience I've had so far with Ipsy. So in my description box, I will have a little bit more information on that and my referral link if you're interested in signing up. So let's check out the bag. This is actually really cute and looks different than the bag that I was expecting to get. I just opened the Ipsy app and you can see that orange bag is the bag that I was expecting. This is cuter, but I mean, it says Ipsy on it. Let me know in the comments down below if this is what your bag looked like. And I also just pulled out these masks from Aqua. Looks like there's 2 masks in here. So a moisturizing one and a brightening one. I love masks, so this is great. And then I did an add-on this month. Oh my gosh, and it's so small. I added on the Benefit Gimme Brow. So I paid $3 for this little add-on. Gosh, it's so much smaller than I was expecting. It's so teeny. But I have not tried out any Benefit brow products yet, and I've heard so many great things about them. And I'm on the search for a brow gel, so I wanted to try this one out. I got it in neutral light brown. So with every makeup product that I get, I will be trying it out as part of my trying a new makeup product every day series. So I'll be doing full review videos on all of the products. And then let's see what else I got in this bag. So you always get a little card with some product descriptions. Okay, so this is the Nature 3-Step Essence Sheet Mask Set. I put on my questionnaire that I really like sheet masks. I do them at least once a week, so I'm so excited to try these out. Let's see what else I have. Let's start with this one. Oh my gosh, this is so small too. But this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Light Neutral. And I know I've tried out a Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation before, but I'm just not sure if it's the exact same one as this. But the one that I did try out, I really liked. So I'm excited to be able to try this one again. And I love trying out new foundations. Let's see, next I'll pull out, the Tetris X Ipsy. So Tetris with collaboration with Ipsy lip gloss. Oh, this is so exciting because I got the eyeshadow palette in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and it's really good. How cute. Okay, so this is in the shade Matrix. Let me go ahead and give this a swatch. We get a rounded tip applicator. Ooh, nice vanilla scent to it. Really pretty, some nice gloss, some sparkle. I love this type of lip gloss, and this is cute packaging. And I also think it's really cool that this is like a special, like limited edition collection with Tetris, but it's also from Ipsy. So it's like Ipsy's private label makeup, and so far from what I've seen of it, it's been really good. So that's exciting and cool that Ipsy's been creating their own products. Okay, one more I was counting the Gimme Brow, but that was a bonus. Okay. This is the Swarovski Lycomado Super Restorative Sleeping Mask. Oh, I've never used a sleeping mask before. Ooh, so you just put this on as your last step in your skincare routine, and then it's supposed to really moisturize and brighten over throughout the night. Oh, this is cool. I'm so excited to use this. My skin definitely needs it. Now the last product, oh, this is the Glow for Cause Live, Love, Flirt Lip Balm. And I'm so excited to see a product from this brand because I actually know this brand because for Christmas, I was looking on Instagram for like philanthropic small companies to order gifts from, and I found this Glow for a Cause, and I ordered a bunch of things. I think it was like on Black Friday. I ordered a bunch of products that I gave out to my friends and family for Christmas gifts. And Glow for a Cause, like their products are so good, and I love that it's like it's charitable and a small indie company. So I love that it's in Ipsy. I did not get to try out the lip balm though, so I'm excited about this. So I got a good mix of products that are from brands that I know and brands that I don't know. So just to recap, the brands that I do know, I got the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation, the Glow for a Cause lip balm, and the Ipsy with Tetris lip gloss, and of course the Benefit Gimme Brow that I added on. And then two new brands that I'm getting to try out, the Sorosi Sleeping Mask and Nature, it actually has an S in it, 3-step Essence Sheet Mask Set, which I love skincare. So these will be so fun to try out, and I love learning about new brands. But if you've tried either of these brands before, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. And also, I would love to know in the comments down below what products you got in your June Ipsy Glam bag, and if you've tried any of these products, what your thoughts are. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.